In this video, we will see how to extract text from screenshots by using a snipping tool on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you want to extract text from your screenshot by using snipping tool, here are the process. Open any screenshot which you want to extract text, right click on it, right click on any screenshot and hover the cursor on open with and choose a snipping tool. Open your screenshot with a snipping tool. Now a snipping tool, your screenshot is successfully opened on with a snipping tool. Here now, for example, all this text we will extract. How to do? You will find a text option under your menu. Look for this. It will not here. Either it will at the bottom of the page image, either in this feature. So here it will not found. So you must go to bottom of the screenshot and you will find a option text actions. Click on it and you will see a two option. You will see copy all text, quick redact. Click on copy all text. All the text will be copied now, and go to your text box where you want to keep your text. Open a Microsoft Word documents or text documents notepad and Control V, paste it here. All the text of that screenshot will successfully copied here. So you can easily extract all the text of your screenshot by using a snipping tool in your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you want to choose quick redact, email address, phone numbers, such option is also available here. This is an important feature to extract text